How to invest in gold bullion the easy and safe way. The first question should be, is now a good time to be investing in gold bullion? With the current rising trend in the value of gold, it's clearly a prudent idea to start investing in some assets in the gold bullion arena, at least for the long term, if not for the short term also. The markets are moving and the economy is unstable. So what gold should you invest in? An ounce of solid gold will still buy the same value now as it did 100 years ago. Paper shares will not. Probably the best choice by far is to buy actual gold. This can be in the form of gold coins or gold bars. They are easy to obtain from reputable firms online like GMRGold.com. They also have an appealing aesthetic quality admired by most collectors. In addition, the gold content is usually clearly labeled and guaranteed. Gold coins such as the American Gold Eagle, the Australian Kookaburra, Canadian Maple Leaf, the South African Krugerrand, and others are very popular with collectors and enthusiasts. Basic gold bars from 1 gram up to many troy ounces can be easily purchased and stored for the future. Perhaps not as popular as gold coins and a little harder to sell, nevertheless, they are still a valid form of bullion for many collectors. In times of economic downturn or uncertainty like we are seeing at the moment, wise people tend to invest in gold coins, which can be easily sold in just about any country on the planet. Gold coins are easy to hide from burglars, easy to store, and easy to transport. And importantly, they are generally tax-free. So when it comes to investing in gold bullion, gold coins and bars are considered one of the best investments one can make for the future. Remember, take care of your money, and your money will take care of you. Call or email us today if we can help. We stand ready to serve you.